Lao Tai, have you offended the foreman? The foreman said that as long as people can pass things, what people can't get over is a phoenix like this. If it is a high-pressure pipeline, we must refuse to weld. If it's a dart pipe, we can make do with it. Let's tell the old iron people how we should go to such a big crack in our street, like such a wide seam, it is impossible for us to grow meat on both sides. What do we also use? Use slabs, or steel bars or something to build a bridge on both sides, and then weld it. In this way, it will not fall. The two sides of the board are stapled, and then the floating handle love is used back and forth, so that the long meat can be welded. Next, I will show you the welding HD relaxation. You see. Students, please see, this is HD at the same time. Did the old irons see it? After the welding is completed, the plate is broken off again, and the bridge is built, and it can be welded continuously normally after being put on. Friends of the society, please pay attention to the red heart. Thank you for your support.